People say if you dig deep enough, you'll get to China. Those people clearly haven't dug many holes here. Here, if you dig and kept digging and then dug some more, you might just find your skis. Welcome to Geto Kogen. Japan notorious for its powder, Geto even more so. Cold Siberian wind blows off Asia, picking up moisture over the Sea of Japan, slams into Japan's mountains, and boom, you have big snow. Geto is located in a narrow section of mountains, meaning we get a lot of snow in a concentrated area. Bowl-shaped, the resort catches wind-blown snow from nearby peaks collected in the power pocket of Geto Kogen, known to the locals as the King of Power. So when you consider a trip to Japan, consider this.